Good morning, myself Saini Solonika Sahu. I belongs to OAB Bharkot and here I am representing this project named Eco-friendly material. So here I am using some products which are eco-friendly, which does not produce any harmful gases or any harmful pollutants which will harm the environment, plus these are beneficial for the human needs. So the first product is solar panel. This is solar panel. It takes the energy from the sun and convert the solar energy into electrical energy. By this process, people can use the electricity easily and they did not have to pay any type of bill. It is a renewable source of energy, plus it does not produce any harmful pollutants to create harmful gases. So that's why it is called eco-friendly material. The second product is wind turbine. When the wind turbine blows off, it produces energy and convert it into electricity. It convert the wind energy into electrical energy. By this process, people can use electricity without giving any type of bill. It is a renewable source. It does not take any type of maintenance, or it is not so much expensive. So it is easily available even. So the third product is rainwater harvesting. As we are seeing nowadays, water is getting wasted day by day. It is getting reduced. So to conserve the water, to save the water, I am doing this process. This process name is rainwater harvesting. In this process, when the rain occurs, it gets stored in the tank and then we can use it in the cultivation. We can store it in the well and use further, and even we can use it in the borewell and store it in the water level, and we can use it in the summer season. So in the biogas process, we know that the waste materials of our homes and even cow dung get stored in it and it get decomposed by an organism, and after that it produces a gas called methane gas. By this process we can do cooking without giving any type of bill. So it is even a renewable source, and that's why called eco-friendly. So we are seeing nowadays that in Delhi there are so many pollution is creating because of the vehicles which produce harmful pollutants like carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide. So to stop this we are doing plantation. By plantation, we know that tree takes the carbon dioxide by photosynthesis process and provides us oxygen, which is essential for human being. So by doing plantation, we can stop pollution. So in this model, I am showing people that we should use these products and do plantation to save our environment from harmful gases, to save our environment from pollution, which is even beneficial for human needs. Thank you.